Hey there, ever wondered about the journey of the food on your plate? Today, I have an inspiring story of three farmers who are the unsung heroes of our daily meals. Meet Clara, a passionate organic farmer from California. Clara's journey started with a small, neglected piece of land. She poured her heart and soul into revitalizing the soil using only natural methods. Today, Clara's farm is a thriving oasis of diverse crops, feeding hundreds of families with wholesome organic produce. Next, let's travel to Iowa to meet Sam. Sam inherited his family's conventional corn farm, but he saw the impact of chemical fertilizers and pesticides on the environment. Determined to make a change, Sam shifted to sustainable farming practices. He invested in crop rotation, cover crops, and reduced chemical use. Now, Sam's farm is a model of sustainability, proving that you can protect the planet while maintaining a profitable business. Finally, we journeyed to India to meet Arti. Arti, a rice farmer, faced severe water shortages due to climate change. She decided to adopt innovative water-saving techniques like drip irrigation and system of rice intensification. These methods boosted her yield and conserved water, turning her farm into a beacon of hope for her community. Three different farmers, three unique journeys, but one common goal: to cultivate the land with love and care, ensuring a future where we all can enjoy safe, nutritious food. It's a testament to their resilience and innovation. So next time you eat, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and dedication of farmers like Clara, Sam, and Arti, because every bite you take is a bite of their incredible journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more heartwarming stories.